Lavender Rich Syrup has gone viral lately, so I wanted to show you how to make your own lavender latte or lavender macchiato at home. Pretty see-through cup. And you're going to put probably about 2 tablespoons or so full of the lavender. Strong coffee right over the top. And use a spoon so that you don't ruin the look of your underneath the syrup part of it. So roughly about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. To add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of Lavender Vanilla Bourbon Extract. Some of that, just a tiny little bit. Then you're going to take your milk, and if you have a French press, go ahead and pour that right in. That's going to be your foamed milk. Put your French press right on top of it, and you're going to pump it a few times to make some bubbles. So when the bubbles from your foamed milk begin to settle out, you will have an absolutely gorgeous homemade macchiato.